the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's here and I'm ready to unbox it. In the same order, I did order a 10-watt wireless charging pad from AT&T, so I will do a unboxing and review of that. I have my wife's iPhone 8 Plus for size comparison. Let's open it up. Easy open tabs for your iPhones here. It has the Sierra blue, I believe, color. I'm not sure if this is stainless steel, but it's a shiny chrome finish on the edges here. You have the large camera bump in the back. You have the fingerprint magnet sides with the SIM tray, power buttons, silence button as usual. Comes with a USB-C to Lightning charging cable. A SIM removal tray, no charging brick, and that's it. It's fairly heavy. I'm comparing it to the iPhone 8 Plus. It's a little bit taller than that one, much heavier. I believe of almost 400 grams heavier. It does feel heavier in hand too. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. So if you have your old iPhone next to it, it automatically pretty much just start the setup process. On the other phone, it says finish on the new iPhone. I just tried again and it worked. It says Face ID. Let's go ahead and set it up. It scanned my face twice and Face ID is set up. Let's continue. And we're gonna go ahead and transfer over the data from my wife's iPhone. As you can see, there's no cellular data because I haven't inserted the old SIM card in yet. Okay. This is a 256 gig version, so it will be able to take advantage of the ProMotion video mode that's now being offered in the new iPhones. there's quite a lot of data, as this phone my wife's had since the 8 Plus came out, so there's quite a lot of pictures and videos that has to be transferred. But I already transferred one phone over earlier today, and the transfer process is very quick. I like how it's so easy that you don't have to fling the phone around to get the box to come on and out. It used to be an issue before, but it seems like they fixed it. You got that issue on your phone still, but let's look through it in detail. You got the little antenna connections there. You get the 3 huge cameras in the back, the telephoto lens, the wide angle, and the flash, of course, and the macro lens, of course. And it's going to give us an estimate. There's at least 100 gigs of data, more than 100 gigs of data on this phone. Okay, so that actually took like 2 hours to complete the transfer process. Let's go ahead and unlock here. Restore completed. Let's click continue. And I'm sorry about the ring light reflection. I was reviewing the video and noticed that there's a bunch of ring light reflection on the black screen here. Okay, continue. Yeah, and the weight difference between these two phones is about 40 grams. I think I said like 400 grams earlier, but this is 40 grams. We'll set up the wallet later. We'll share. Welcome to iPhone. So I will have to transfer over the SIM card. Let's go ahead and swipe up, and there you have it. It's installing all the apps, which is interesting because while it was taking hours to transfer over all this stuff, you could have just downloaded these apps. But anyways, so let's swipe through the phone. It's one-handed use is a challenge, but it's doable. Let's see. Let's go through Safari and let's go through Yahoo. Pretty snappy. I did see this thing where you go to like. Oh, okay, I see. So the search bar is in the bottom, which is good because with one-handed use, you can kind of just get to it. I guess I should show you the camera. Let me open up the camera. So we'll set up our photographic style later. I'm not sure why that is here. So here's the camera. It's not working right now for some reason. Okay, took a while for it to turn on. I'm going to shut it off and turn it back on, see how long it takes to turn on. Okay, so camera's up. You can go up to 3x and a wide angle. Let's go through macro. Let's see. It's supposed to have a macro lens, but I think the macro is automatic. So if you're on the photo mode, if you get really close to whatever you're trying to get to, see, it gets really well in there. Like the macro is automatic. It's not something you select. So that's pretty good. There's the portrait mode, and there's of course now the cinematic mode, which means that you get a 2-depth view even on video. So you get that blurred view even while you're doing video. So of course, if you look at my finger here or my hand, you can see the back is blurred off. So that is only possible on a iPhone with 256 gig, iPhone 13 Pro. There's many other features. You can watch other videos to figure out the new features, but this is my unboxing and quick view of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.